Gotta get that double chin. Get that double chin, girl.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing fantastic because when I got home today, I was quite surprised to see that I got my Boxycharm this early. It wasn't supposed to be here till Friday, so I'm happy that it came today. So this is the Boxycharm base box for January of 2020. I do get this in PR every month for review, and then I also have my own account as well. That just got shipped, I want to say last night. So let's open up this puppy and see what it's about. And then after I unbox it, if you want to see me try on every product in here, then after the unboxing, then we'll do the try on. And I will leave the timestamps down below just in case you want to go right to the try on. All right, I don't know if I told you this is $25 a month, and you're supposed to get at least $125 worth of value every month. So that's what it looks like when you open her up. I just love, I say it in every video, I love the red, white, and black together. Love it. All right, and that's what it looks like when you open it up. Little sneak peek. All right, the theme for this month is breaking the ice. And I got, drop the card. I got variation number 2. And a lot of times you guys ask me how much this box weighed. It weighed 1 pound, 5 ounces. All right. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing I see. The first thing is this Grandy Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil, which castor oil is really good for your lashes. It's supposed to help make them grow. All right, let's see how much this puppy is. So this is $25, and it says it is an intense thickening mascara. So I'm definitely excited to try that. And right there, that pays for the box. All right, the next thing is from Glow Recipe. I'm not sure if this is full size or not. I want to say that there are 2 sizes that you can get like at Ulta. And I have tried this before, and I really like this sleeping mask. I'm not going to try this on today because, you know, usually I do this at night. But I really do like it. I'm glad that it's in here. And that would be $22. It says, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that soothes and perfects skin overnight. So, yeah, I would put this in, then in the morning, wash it off. All right. Yeah, it's $22 for that size. The next thing we got is from Wonder Beauty. This is a Trip for 2 blush and bronzer duo. Right there. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's taped up. Okay, let me cut the tape. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. It feels like, you know, it's like textured. All right, let's see. Oh, good. It comes with a nice mirror, and this is really, really pretty. And there is the blush and bronzer duo. So let's swatch this and see. Right there. So that's what it looks like. Let me see if you can build it up, like how deep that is to go. They feel very, very smooth. Oh, you can definitely, look at that. You can build it up. So if you are darker than me, you can probably definitely use this. All right, so that's good. I always wonder because if you don't know, my daughter is biracial and she likes to wear my makeup. And I always say, is it dark enough for her, you know? And it seems like for her skin, it will be. So that's good. All right, the next thing we got is from Too Faced. This is the Diamond Fire Highlighter in the shade Canary Diamond. I haven't tried this. I believe this came in with the Pretty Rich. I think that's what it was, the collection. And, oh, look how cute. Looks like a little diamond ring. How much is this? The Wonder Beauty is $36. I mean, Wonder Beauty is a little pricey, but I don't know if I would pay $36 for just one blush and one bronzer. But, I mean, we'll see when we try it on. All right, so this right here would be the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter, and this is $38. Wow. And look, it has a little thing right there. Oh, that's so cute. All right, so this is what it looks like. I know they have like, this is like the pinkish one. I think there's like one that is like white more whiter, you know. All right, oh, that's gorgeous. So this is just like a gold, like a canary gold. I love that. I don't know what you can see. All right, so we got that. And last but not least, this is from Ace Beauté. And this month you got to pick which one that you wanted. Because I do get this in PR, I don't get to pick what I want. But I did pick for mine the one with like the more blues and greens in it. So which one did I get? It's what it looks like. I love Ace Beauté's formula. Okay, so I got the one with like the red tones, the pinks. So I'm definitely excited to make a look. And the mirror is really, really nice. All right, so let's recap. I'll put on the screen, I'll add everything up, and I'll put how much the retail value is for this for variation 2. So we got a palette, which I love. Boxycharm every month has been putting palettes in, and I really like that. We have the Wander Beauty Blush and Bronzer Duo, so that's good. I'm really excited to try this thickening mascara, so that's exciting because usually I use like 3 different mascaras every day. And we got the from Too Faced the highlighter, which is good, nice. I was gonna say good and nice at the same time. And then we got this Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Sleeping Mask. So I really think BOXYCHARM knocked it out of the park for my box that I got. I'm really, really pleased. And for $25, yes, love it. All right, so now what I'm going to do is, since we do have, I'm going to do my eye makeup first. I always do my eyes before I put foundation and stuff on. So I'm going to go set my eyes and, oh, almost knocked my earring out. And then I'll be right back. All right, so I got my eyes primed and I set it. So let's get ready to do the Ace Beauté. I'm really excited. I have a few of their palettes and I really like it. So again, that's what it looks like. And let's go in with this Sunset Rose right here. This one right there. And I'll use that as my transition shade. Let me put that back. Okay. All right, so I have the transition shade. I'm going to use that same brush and let's see how I want to go. I'm going to go into this Pink Moon color. I typically would have went into this crimson shade, but since I have a pink shirt on, I'll keep it with the pink colors. Okay. And then I'm just not going to go as high up as I did the transition shade. All right, so we have that. Now what I'm going to do to help blend it out a little bit, I'm going to go into the Sunset Rose and this Lotus shade, and I'm just going to do this and kind of like go on top to like blend it out a little bit. That looks a lot better. So now let's take a little bit of a smaller brush and I'm going to go into this Bahamas shade right here and kind of deepen up the outer part of my eye. Okay, so this is going a little bit too pink for my liking. So I'm going to go with this crimson shade right here. Plus, I want to try to use as many colors as I can. And I'm going in very lightly, like I'm just dabbing it. And I'm going to kind of like, see, that's really pigmented. Just go in a little bit and make it a little bit orange. All right, so now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to kind of go in the Bahamas and the Sangria shade right here. I'm going to mix them. And now I'm going to deepen up my outer corner. All right, that is much better. So now I'm going to go into this, what is this? Aurora shade right here. It's a shimmer shade. And I like to use my finger because I'm definitely a fingerer. Right here, and let's just say, because I really want to try to use most of all the shades just to get an idea of what this palette can do. All right, now I'm going to mix the other 2 shimmer shades, so Maui and Aruba. I'm just going to mix them together and then just go right on top. That is really, really pretty. And the last shimmer shade is Hibiscus. And I'm going to take that and put that like on the outer part right here to deepen up that eyelid. Then the last shade I'm going to try is this Nocturnal shade, the darkest color. It's like a dark brown. And that's when I'm going to deepen up the outer corner. Really get that deepened up. All right, so that's what we have up so far. And I always go very sloppy because then I clean it up with a makeup wipe. And so I'll just take my finger here and I use that nail part. And I will get anything that fell out or clean that up. Now, some people use like tape, and this is kind of what you're doing as well. All right, and that's what it looks like so far. So far, I really like the palette. It's kind of like the Tribe box that I did yesterday. I will leave that video down below if you want to see that try on. All right, so I'm going to come back. I'm going to put my foundation on, concealer, set my face, and all that, and come back and put the Wander Beauty and the highlighter on and the mascara, and then I'll be right back. All right, we are back. Now, let's go in with our bronzer. So we're doing the Wander Beauty right here. I'll get my bronzer brush. Now, this is very powdery, so let's do this again. I don't care for the bronzer myself, but it's all right. It's okay. All right, so my trick for blending my bronzer in, what I usually do is, this is what I use for my face powder after my foundation. So it still has that powder on. So I will go underneath here, and then I will blend using that powder here to blend it out. And let's go in with the Too Faced. This is the highlighter brush I use. I believe we got this in a Boxycharm. This is a Moda brush. And let's hope for the best. It's not too dark. This is actually really beautiful. I'm seeing if it's powdery, but not really. Let's see. So what I'm going to do is go back in with my Dampen Beauty Blender. And this is how you can blend it out so you don't have that streak of highlighter on. It's pretty. I just don't like it. Now that I blended it out, for me, I actually really like it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a little bit under my eyebrows too, right here. All right, very good. Now let's use the same palette and go in with my blush. There's the shade. This is very powdery. So go in with the light hand. All right, so that's that. Now let's finish under the eyes. But what I'm going to do is go in with some blue. This is a NYX eyeliner and go on my waterline. So don't be scared to use color. I was looking for my brush that I used to hold it down. Never be scared to use a little color under your eyes. It really makes a big difference. Oh, I have a chunk in my eye. Okay. All right, what a difference. I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference. I typically either use blue or green on my waterline, and it doesn't have to match. Like I'm wearing pinks and burgundies, and it doesn't have to necessarily match your eyes, but it will bring your eyes out. Even if you have brown eyes, put some blue in your waterline and you will see a big difference. All right, so I'm gonna go back in here and use this brush. I'm going to go in with this orange up here. This is Crimson. I'm going to go in very light-handedly and go under my eyes. I'm going to connect right here. All right, now I'm going to go in with this color right here, Bahamas, and I'm going to go in like 3/4, not all the way in. All right, so we have that done. Now I'm going to go in with that brown shade, the darkest brown, which is called Nocturnal. And I'm only going to go halfway in. All right, so the eye look is all done. I just have to go in with some mascara. And let's see how this works because, like I said, I typically go in with at least 2 to 3 different mascaras. So let's see. I'm really excited about using this. Let's see what the wand looks like. Okay, not too bad. So let's see. All right, so this is what the mascara looks like with 2 coats. For me, I think it's nice, but I would go back in after I got done using this with my Thrive Cosmetics, and then I think it would be perfect. So let's recap everything that we got. Like, I'll give you a little review what I think since I tried every product on. All right, so the first thing is the Ace Beauty palette. I really like it. I really like it. I think the look turned out good. I used most of the colors, so I'll definitely use it again. The Wonder Beauty, the blush is pretty. I don't like the bronzer on me, but I mean, it blends really good and everything. So as far as the formula, I think is okay. The mascara, I think it's really good. I'm just so used to going in with different mascaras. I don't just typically use one. So I could be a little biased with that, but I really do like it. Like, I will continue to use this. Have no complaints there. Too Faced highlighter. I think it's really pretty. I'm not into like the glitter. Let's do a little swatch again to show you. It has like a little glitter in here. And on here looks a little gold, but when I put it on, it was like a pinkish color. I think it's really pretty, the color, but when I took the Beauty Blender and blended it in my skin, it looks really good. So I'll definitely use this again. And then what did we get? Where did I put that? Oh, and this I've tried before and I love. And so I'm definitely excited to get it. So if I had to rate this, I would definitely give it a B+, A-. I really liked everything. I really don't have anything to complain about. So let me know what you think. Do you like this month's box? Do you not? Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you didn't like it or you didn't like your box, give me a thumbs down. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you like unboxings and try-ons and reviews. Make sure that you subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.